Hi guys. So today I'm going to do a quick unboxing. I got a couple new pedals off Amazon and they showed up today. So this is what they came in, just a brown paper mailer. There's supposed to be two mini pedals in here. I think this is the compressor and it's like a Klon copy. So we're going to find out what it looks like. Here we go. So all fancy. Alright, so the first things first is, it's called the Y-Muse Mosky Mini Silv I for electric guitar. It's the Klon copy is what it is. So I'm gonna open it up and see what we got. Okay, got a little bubble wrap. Good stuff. It's actually sealed pretty good. So we're going to pop this guy open, take a look at the stuff. I'm going to put the knife down before I stab myself, because that's smart. Alright, so there you have it. A mini, it's called a Silverhorse. It's got your output, gain, treble, and then it's got a voice knob, or a voice switch. So next up, seems like it's going to... This is one I'm kind of excited about. I really like compressors because I tend to play clean a lot. It just came in its own little manila mailer, by the way. But I tend to play clean a lot, so I like to have compression just to kind of make things sparkle. And yeah, so this one actually came, it has a manual. How about that? Because it's an Amazon Basics. Amazon Basics. Basic compressor. So it's got a book. I'm sure you can find that online if you want to look at that. I don't need no stinking manual. I'll be digging that out here in just a minute, I'm sure. No, but seriously, comes in a little bag, and that's what you get. I could tell you right now something kind of cool I just noticed. You probably can't see it on the camera, but those dials actually have glow-in-the-dark paint on them, I think. And, we're going to plug these guys up and see what they sound like. So hang tight. Okay, so got these guys plugged up. This is the settings that I found, which are kind of cool, I thought. Anyways, once again, as always, playing into a Boss Katana. It's a 50 watt clean channel, and this is my clean tone. So, anyways, the compressor, I dialed it in just so that basically I can do... There it is on. This actually, I'm really excited about this. This sounds super cool. I figured out that the voice, it actually, I don't know if it's a treble boost or a mid boost or something, but it definitely cuts bass frequency response when you have it in the up position. So what I did is I put it in the down position and just on a low gain setting, just to hear what it sounds like, and then I'll increase it. I don't want to go, like, we'll go full bore, why not? Just to see what it sounds like. So here it is on. Subtle. Back off again. I've got that a little too bright, so let's dial that back to just noon. So, bass tone. I'm going to go to the neck and middle position. And then you click it on. here. In the up position, let's try that real quick. I'll show you. Let's go back to where we were so you can hear the comparison. So. That's cool, but here, I kind of like this a lot, actually. It cleans up really well. I wasn't even messing with the volume knob. I was just playing lighter. So, anyways, sorry about that. My phone ran out of memory. But we were on this pedal right here with the down position. It was really stinking loud. I'm going to turn the gain down, or turn the gain up because I told you I would, and turn the output down a little bit. Too much gain for me, man. Back to the sweet spot. Right about here. I'm a fan. These pedals are crazy cheap, too. I think this one was like 25 bucks, something like that. This one was right around the same price, 25, 27, something like that. So for not a lot of money, these are actually really good. I've got a thing coming up here. I'm going to put together a mini pedal board. Just a little sneak peek of that. I've got a few other pedals. They're actually supposed to arrive tomorrow, so we'll do another unboxing and do some video on that jazz as well. But yeah, thanks for watching. Stick around, and I will see you next time.